First, thank you for coming to our Patreon page and considering supporting the work of chartingwealth.com. I'm Tom Goolsby, and I'm the guy you hear every day. We do daily market reviews of the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, which are the tech stocks, gold, and 20-year bonds. Why do we do that? Because we have found that these are sort of a broad representation of the market, two indexes, gold and bonds, and they allow us to show the folks that follow us every day the ebb and flows of the market, lessons about how the stock market actually works. I have an MBA, I have a law degree, and an undergraduate degree in business, and I learned nothing about the stock market in school. I learned it all in courses, on-the-job training, and working at this for decades. How do you learn? You learn by doing. That's what we do every day. Some of the best traders and investors I know have only a high school education. You don't have to have an MBA. You don't have to have a PhD. You don't have to be someone on Wall Street to be successful. If you will practice with us every day, we can give you the nuggets that you need, along with your other studies and other things that you do to learn about how the market works. We're not a stock calling service, we're an education firm, and we do all of this for free. And we would so much appreciate your support of our channel and our efforts. We've been doing this for years now, and we appreciate all the positive feedback. If you could help us and support us, we would so appreciate that. We have a number of extras that we will give our Patreon supporters, and we thank you for your consideration. Always feel free to write us, cw@chartingwealth.com. Be sure to come to the website, sign up for the daily market reviews. They'll come to your email box every day. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and be a YouTube subscriber. Thank you so much. We appreciate your consideration. All the best from the whole team here at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.